I bought it brand new, and it's already in the shop for the fourth time this year. This is what countless owners are saying about certain models that consistently fail before reaching 40,000 miles. Despite being marketed as reliable transportation, today we're counting down the 17 most unreliable vehicles on the market. Cars that statistically start having serious issues while still relatively new. If you're considering any of these models, this could be the most important video you watch this year, potentially saving you thousands in unexpected repair costs. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now back to the video. Number 1. Jeep Renegade, the subcompact SUV with supersized problems. First up is the Jeep Renegade, a vehicle that perfectly captures the saying, "Looks can be deceiving." With its cute boxy styling and Jeep badging, many buyers expected the rugged reliability the brand was once known for. Unfortunately, the reality hits hard and early. By just 25,000 miles, Renegade owners frequently report transmission jerking that makes daily driving a nightmare. The 2015 to 2018 models are especially problematic, with transmission issues so common that dealerships often keep replacement parts in stock, anticipating failures. The numbers don't lie. Consumer Reports data shows the Renegade has a 141% higher repair frequency than average in its class. That adorable styling might catch your eye, but the repair bills will have you seeing red. Number 2. Fiat 500. Italian style, American headaches. When the Fiat 500 made its comeback to American shores, it arrived with promises of Italian flair and European efficiency wrapped in a cute, tiny package. Those promises quickly faded for many owners. By 30,000 miles, these stylish subcompacts develop a host of serious problems. Owners frequently find themselves stranded with failing power steering systems and transmission issues. The electrical system becomes a nightmare. Dead batteries occur without warning, instrument clusters malfunction, and power windows stop working completely. Need a repair? Get ready to wait. Parts availability is so limited that even simple fixes can leave you without a car for weeks, while shops scramble to find components. Number 3. Chevrolet Cruze, the compact car with costly consequences. By just 35,000 miles, Cruze owners frequently face cooling system failures that threaten catastrophic engine damage. The 2011 to 2015 models are particularly troublesome, with water pump failures so common that dedicated troubleshooting guides exist across multiple owner forums. The PCV valve system is another major failure point, causing excessive oil consumption and potential turbocharger damage. This repair alone averages $2,100 at dealerships. A massive hit for an economy car owner. Repair tracking services reveal the harsh truth. Cruze owners spend approximately 65% more on repairs before 40,000 miles than Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla owners. That attractive initial price tag? It's quickly erased by repair bills that make the Cruze one of the most expensive economy cars to own. Number 4. Nissan Altima, 2013 to 2018. The mid-size sedan with major CVT failures. The Nissan Altima from 2013 to 2018 was marketed as the affordable alternative to the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry. But for thousands of owners, that affordability quickly vanished. By just 30,000 miles, these Altimas often develop severe transmission problems. The CVT begins shuddering, hesitating during acceleration, and in many cases, fails completely. When that happens, owners face an average repair bill of $4,100, nearly 20% of what the car was worth when new. Despite selling over 250,000 units annually during this period, only 24% of Altima owners buy another one, far below the segment average of 38%. Number 5. Ford Focus, 2012 to 2016. The compact with catastrophic transmission issues. The 2012 to 2016 Ford Focus was designed to be Ford's global compact car, promising efficiency and reliability for budget-conscious buyers. Unfortunately, that promise quickly unraveled. By just 25,000 miles, the power-shift dual-clutch automatic transmission frequently develops severe shuddering, slipping, and hesitation that only gets worse with time. Ford issued multiple software updates and extended warranties, but these rarely fixed the underlying mechanical problems with the transmission's dry-clutch design. Most shocking of all, technical service bulletins reveal Ford instructed dealerships to tell customers that jerking and shuddering were normal characteristics, despite knowing about serious design flaws. Number 6. Mini Cooper, older models. Small car, enormous repair bills. Those adorable Mini Coopers won American hearts with their quirky styling and famous go-kart handling. But owners of 2007 to 2013 models discover the dark side of that European charm. By 38,000 miles, timing chain failures become frighteningly common, threatening complete engine destruction if not caught early. The high-pressure fuel pump fails so frequently that independent shops stockpile replacements, with repairs costing between $1,500 and $2,000. Electrical problems multiply quickly. Power windows fail, door locks stop working, and mysterious dashboard warning lights appear without explanation. Number 7. Chrysler 200, the mid-size sedan that couldn't go the distance. The redesigned Chrysler 200 launched in 2015 with sleek styling and promises of improved quality. But the reality proved dramatically different. By 30,000 miles, owners commonly report transmission problems with the 9-speed automatic so severe that some vehicles become completely undrivable. The shifting issues often arrive without warning, leaving drivers stranded. Electrical failures affect everything from the infotainment system to critical safety features, with some owners experiencing complete electrical shutdowns while driving. Engine cooling problems lead to dangerous overheating situations, requiring water pump and thermostat replacements well before the 40,000-mile mark. Number 8. Dodge Journey, the crossover journey to the repair shop. The Dodge Journey entered the market as an affordable crossover option with 3-row seating and plenty of storage space for families. Unfortunately, it quickly earns its reputation as a maintenance nightmare. By 35,000 miles, many Journey owners face transmission failures that start as harsh shifting and slipping before requiring complete replacement. The 2.4-liter engine consumes oil at an alarming rate. Some owners report adding a quart every 1,000 miles. The suspension system falls apart early too. Front-end components wear out prematurely, creating clunking noises and uneven tire wear. These repairs typically cost between $800 to $1,200. Number 9. Volkswagen Jetta, certain model years. German engineering, American disappointment. The Volkswagen Jetta, particularly 2009 to 2014 models, promised European driving dynamics at American-friendly prices. Sadly, the reality hits owners hard right before 40,000 miles. The timing chain tensioner in these Jettas frequently fails without warning, causing catastrophic engine damage with repair bills exceeding $3,500. The 2.0T engines develop carbon buildup on intake valves requiring expensive cleaning, while the 2.5L models suffer premature water pump failures. Electrical gremlins multiply quickly. Window regulators fail, door locks malfunction, and instrument clusters go haywire, all before 40,000 miles. Number 10. Hyundai Veloster, early models. The sporty coupe with serious engine flaws. The Hyundai Veloster landed in 2011 with its quirky 3-door layout and promises of sporty performance backed by Hyundai's improving reputation for reliability. Sadly, Many first-gen owners discovered serious problems by the 30,000-mile mark. Engine knocking, misfires, and complete failures plague these early models. The 1.6-liter direct-injection engine suffers from carbon buildup that kills performance, while turbo models face wastegate failures that rob power and trigger warning lights. Transmission problems strike hard too, with the dual-clutch system displaying jerky shifting before often failing completely. A $3,200 replacement on average. Number 11. Chevrolet Malibu, 2010s models. The mid-size sedan with mounting problems. The Chevrolet Malibu underwent several redesigns in the 2010s as GM tried to compete with segment leaders like Camry and Accord. Unfortunately, by 35,000 miles, 2013 to 2015, Malibu owners face serious electrical issues that can turn dangerous. The body control module failures caused the car to stall without warning, creating hazardous driving situations. The start-stop system frequently breaks down, costing owners $800 plus labor for replacement parts, not counting the multiple battery replacements these failures often require. CarComplaints.com ranked the 2013 Malibu as having 2.7 times more reported problems before 40,000 miles than average mid-size sedans. Despite aggressive initial pricing, these Malibus depreciate 52% faster than segment averages, reflecting their troubling reliability record. Number 12. Jeep Cherokee, 2014 to 2016. The SUV with transmission nightmares. The redesigned Jeep Cherokee launched in 2014 with bold styling and Jeep's off-road reputation, aiming to capture the booming crossover market. Unfortunately, by just 20,000 miles, owners of 2014 to 2016 models face severe issues with the 9-speed ZF automatic transmission. Rough shifting, vehicle lunging, and complete transmission failures become common complaints. The 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine consumes oil excessively, with class action lawsuits revealing some vehicles burn a quart every 1,000 miles without triggering warning lights. Electrical problems create safety concerns. Random stalling, power accessory failures, and infotainment systems that freeze while driving. Number 13. Ford Fiesta, power shift transmission models. The subcompact with supersized problems. The Ford Fiesta entered the market as an affordable subcompact promising European-inspired handling with fuel efficiency that could compete with Japanese and Korean rivals. Unfortunately, it became a financial nightmare for many owners. By just 25,000 miles, Fiesta's equipped with the PowerShift dual-clutch automatic transmission, 2011 to 2019, commonly develop severe shuddering, slipping, and hesitation that worsen over time. Owners face transmission repairs costing between $1,500 to $3,000, with some vehicles needing multiple replacements before 40,000 miles. After years of complaints, Ford agreed to a $30 million settlement in 2020. These transmission problems were so damaging to Ford's reputation that they contributed to the company's decision to discontinue all passenger cars in North America. Number 14. BMW 3 Series, older used models. Luxury experience, economy car reliability. The BMW 3 Series has long been the gold standard for sport sedans, tempting used car buyers with luxury features at mainstream prices. The problem? By 30,000 to 40,000 miles, these German machines often start falling apart. Older models, especially 2006 to 2013, commonly develop cooling system failures. Water pumps, thermostats, and radiators fail at alarming rates. The 335i's N54 twin-turbo engine suffers from high-pressure fuel pump failures and wastegate issues. Even normally aspirated engines face valve cover gasket leaks and oil filter housing problems. Number 15. Cadillac ATS, the luxury sport sedan that couldn't keep up. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2013 as America's answer to the BMW 3 Series, promising world-class performance with distinctive American luxury. By 35,000 miles, many owners face expensive CUE infotainment system failures. Screens crack, touch sensitivity disappears, and systems freeze completely. Repairs cost between $1,200 to $1,800. GM shareholder meetings revealed the ATS had a 68% higher warranty claim rate before 40,000 miles than the segment average. These reliability issues contributed to GM discontinuing the model after just 6 years and caused the ATS to lose over 60% of its value in 3 years. Number 16. Kia Soul, early model years. The boxy crossover with hidden flaws. The Kia Soul arrived in 2009 with its boxy styling and youthful marketing that appealed to younger buyers wanting personality without breaking the bank. Unfortunately, these early models hide serious mechanical flaws. By 30,000 miles, first-generation Soul owners, 2009 to 2013, frequently face catastrophic engine failures from connecting rod bearing issues. Complete engine replacements cost between $4,500 to $6,000, often more than these cars are worth. Number 17. Subaru Crosstrek, oil consumption issues in older models. The adventure vehicle that couldn't keep its oil. The Subaru Crosstrek launched in 2013 as a rugged, adventure-ready compact crossover with Subaru's reputation for reliability. Sadly, that reputation didn't hold up for many early owners. By 35,000 miles, 2013 to 2015 Crosstrek models frequently developed serious oil consumption problems. Owners report adding a quart every 1,000 miles, far outside normal parameters. The FB 22.0-liter engine suffers from premature piston ring wear, allowing oil to enter the combustion chamber where it burns without triggering warning lights until levels become dangerously low. This issue leads to accelerated engine wear, catalytic converter damage, and sometimes complete engine failure if oil levels drop too far between checks. Conclusion. The 17 vehicles we've covered today prove that even newer cars can become financial disasters before hitting high mileage. Each model shows how quickly repair costs can snowball, turning your affordable purchase into an expensive mistake. Remember this crucial point about car ownership. Your monthly payment stays the same, but repair bills are unpredictable. Often, the most expensive vehicle isn't the one with the highest sticker price. It's the one that starts falling apart when you're still making payments.